Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Java application GUI using NetbeansIDE. So first things first is we're going to click to the file, then new project, after which is we're going to click to Java with and then Java application, then we're going to click to the next, after which is we're going to type the file we're gonna create. So in this case we're gonna create the calc tutorial, then finish, then press new file, then press swing GUI forms, then J dialog form, after which is next, then click the class name you want. For me, I'm gonna choose calc tutorial, then finish. So first thing you're going to do is to design the calculator interface. Add buttons for numbers, operations, and other functions. And for the output above, you're going to choose the text field. It must be in the specific size as what you have needed. It's minimum or maximum size if needed. Next is to add buttons, as what I have said a while ago. You could also duplicate the buttons by copying and pasting each to make your work more easy to do and to make these things fast. After which is you're going to change its variable name. Just go to code, then change variable name, and change each of the containers and the controls of your calculator GUI so that it's easy for you to evaluate or declare those variables in terms of programming each of it. For the text field above, I'm renaming it into display. Next, for the buttons, I'm gonna replace each of these as btn. For the first thing I'm going to choose, or the first one I'm going to choose is btn next clear, then btn next plus minus, and btn %, and so on and so forth until you going to up to the equal button. Then change the display text for each of the buttons that's allocated in the properties. Then text for the first button, you're going to change it from clear, then plus minus, then asterisk percent, then divide, plus minus, so on and so forth, up to you're going to the text equal. Change its text into the equal sign, and there you go. Then go to the source code then declare each of the string, the double, the integer. First is the string, declare the string called number, then the double, which is the total number 1 and number 2, and the integer or int select. Then go to the 0 button, just go to design, then click button, or button 0, then declare the value or the function of the 0 button by encoding the number, then plus or equal to 0, then below it is put or encode the display, which is the name of our said text field. Dot set text, then number, and that's all for the functioning of the 0 button. And for the rest of the button, which is from 1 2 3 4 5 up to 9, just copy all of it and replace each of the number you encoded. Like for example, from 0 to encoded from button 1, just encode 1 2 3 and so on up to the 9th button.
Being bitch in the past, up and down slugs, being fast, on the gas.
upon checking or running the program or the set program, you can see that all of the buttons from 0 to 9 is functioning. It's displaying to the text field, or as what we call as display for its variable name, and it is a good sign that your program is working. So let's function the clear button by clicking the C, then encode the the variable display dot set text, then number. So, okay, let's encode, or what I mean is clearing the word number and remaining it from the colon. As below is put the variable number 1 equals to 0, then number 2 equals to 0, and the variable the variable total also equals to 0, after which is put the variable number equals to none, or just put the semicolon. Then you can see that after encoding each of those functions, you can see that all the numbers that you encoded is clearing by pressing the button C. After is put some function for the button plus, minus, multiply, and divide. So first is we're going to encode the function for plus button. Just click the button plus, then number 1 equals to double dot parse double number. Below it is encode the display dot set text and rename it to plus, then number equals to semicolon, and below just encode the variable select equals to 1. Then copy each of those and apply it to the subtract, multiply, and the divide. Just replace the plus sign into the said button. Then put some function for the equal button. So for this button, it's going to have a lot more longer function to do, because we're going to use a switch case program, so that each of the numbers you encode will be function from the said operations, which is the plus up to divide, by using the switch case loop. So first we're going to put switch under the parenthesis encode select. And for the case 1, just encode the number 2 equals to double dot parse double number. Then the total must be equal to the number 1 plus, because we're going to have the addition operation, plus number 2. The number equals to double dot to string parenthesis total, then display dot set text equals to the number, then break. And just copy the first case up to the fourth case and replace each of it by minus, multiply, and divide. Lastly, for the button of percent and plus minus, so after this is the function I'm going to encode.
Ignition sequence start. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And that's all for the GUI calculator using Java. So as what we can see, we could encode 1 plus 2 plus 3, or just encode another numbers, and it will apply all the functions we have encoded for each of the buttons. And don't forget to encode the display for each of it so that it will display to the text field. And that's all. Thank you. Chicken Fit out.